you hide behind your mask of delusion. Wearing your cloak of indifference and confusion, spiral away in your indecision. Turn your back on it, create a new division. I thought you were better than that. Thought you were different. Thought you knew better than that. But you're just so different. Take it down deeper. Say the world will answer. Let's start another war. You play them pros all go, while the poor just get more poor. You preach like fattened pigs, while the rest are starving. You say it's mine or yours, harder what you started. I don't wanna play that game. I don't even feel that way. I don't see things the way that you do. I don't wanna play your game. You're so insane. I don't see it the way you do. Waiting for the moment to us, wonder just how long it's gonna last. Waiting for the morning to come back around, to light the dark night on your mind. Rising from your shelter, you set yourself free. Go on, get out. Rising from all that's keeping you down, you'll find your own way out now. Just when you're feeling above, that's when they take you down, pushing you back down to the wall.